अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज सरतल्ला विद द नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑन चैप्टर 9। अभी तक हम एक वेक्टर की बात कर रहे थे, तो अब अगर दो वेक्टर्स की बात करते हैं और एक अगर आपके पास ए पॉइंट है x1 y1 and z1, okay, and b point is x2 y2 and z2, and if we have to calculate the vector ab or ba, then they will be negative of each other, b minus a minus b. Okay, what does ab means? That the vector is starting from a and ending towards b. This means starting from b and heading towards a. Okay, head minus tail is the formula. Head minus tail. Head is a, the tail is a. Next, if I have to calculate the magnitude of both the vectors, so we will just using simple magnitude formula. X2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This is the simple formula for magnitude. A dot b dot product for two vectors, mod a mod b cos theta. Simple. Its easy way is multiplying x with x1 and x2, y1 and y2, y को आपस में और z को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर. All right. Why we used to do this? Because I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, and k dot k is equal to 1, and all the rest values are is equal to 0 when we are taking the dot product of ij, or I comma k is 0, j comma I is 0, j comma k is also 0. Okay, all the rest conditions are equal to 0. That's why we will be doing straight away this. This expression is a shortcut and we are not solving it whole. Okay, you can multiply each other and solve it whole, but the answer will be 0, so no need. Okay, now if you have to calculate the angle, so its formula is simple. Cos theta a dot b upon a magnitude b magnitude. Same formula which we have written in the previous sheet. What was that? A dot b, a magnitude b magnitude cos theta. So we will be dividing this with a dot b. It will make formula for angle formula for both the vectors. If the vectors are parallel, if A is parallel to B, then what will be the angle? Angle will be 0. So when cos 0 is 1, so both will be equal. A dot B will be equal to A magnitude and B magnitude. In the case when both the vectors are perpendicular to each other, so in this case when both the vectors are perpendicular, the angle is 90 degree. So at 90 degree, cos 90 is 0. So A dot B will be 0. And when both the vectors are anti-parallel or opposite to each other, I am writing opposite. A opposite to B, then theta is 180 degree, and it will just cos 180 is minus 1. So A dot B is equal to minus magnitude of A and magnitude of B. So thanks for watching this video. Continue the next lecture. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.